Those strong storms that moved across the area this afternoon caused damage to power lines and shut down a major road on the eastern shore for hours. WKRG.com mobile journalist Blake Brown has a look.
Yes, strong winds pushed through this area of Fairhope on the eastern shore around lunchtime this afternoon, and you can see some of the damage here on County Road 13. 7 power poles are pushed over, and Baldwin EMC crews have been working to fix these here all afternoon. Fairhope police say a fence was damaged, a vehicle was damaged, and a trampoline was tossed around. But again, other than that, there are no major issues here on the eastern shore, luckily. This is County Road 13, which runs north and south behind Sunny Callahan Airport, and that is where the road has been closed much of the day while crews work to restore power. Again, no injuries and no major damage reported here on the eastern shore. In Fairhope, I'm Blake Brown, WKRG News 5.